Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm shortcuts is enabled and permit untrusted shortcuts only if you trust sources. Next, pick your trigger. A Siri phrase, widget tap, or scheduled time. This decides how the shortcut runs. Then, inventory apps, files, URLs, and any credentials you'll access so you avoid interruptions. Once done, create a new shortcut, give it a concise name, and add your first simple action to test connectivity. This establishes a working baseline before you add complexity. Now you construct the middle, the core logic. You add actions and immediately name variables so you can reuse values without confusion. This keeps the flow maintainable. Use if and repeat to handle branching and loops. Do this because simple linear flows break quickly as needs grow. Also insert ask for input actions with sensible defaults to prevent failures. Once actions are linked, run the shortcut step-by-step to verify outputs and adjust data types or parsing until results are correct. Finish by polishing and testing the whole shortcut end-to-end. You assign the final trigger, Siri phrase, widget, home screen icon, or automation, then run multiple scenarios to ensure stability. Make sure to add exit shortcut messages and basic error handling so failures give clear feedback. If something goes wrong, toggle actions off to isolate the fault, check variable types and recent permissions, and rerun only the failing block. Export a backup to iCloud before making big changes so you can restore quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.